In this video, we're going to show you how to hide your birthday on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. Hiding your birthday is an important step to protect your privacy and control what personal information others can see on your profile. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and log in to your account. Make sure you are on the main interface before continuing. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage all your preferences. Now, click on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your personal information. Scroll down until you find the Birthday Privacy option. Click on it to open the visibility settings. You will see different options for who can view your birthday. Select Nobody if you want to completely hide it from everyone. After selecting it, make sure to save your changes so the new settings are applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your birthday on Telegram. This helps keep your personal information private and gives you more control over your account security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.